Hello guys, let's check how much Bereau is making on YouTube. Note that this will not include the affiliate links, only counting the YouTube earnings. Let's copy his channel link, go to Social Blade and paste channel ID, then click search. As you see, his channel is ranked in the UK. His monthly earning estimated between 1k to 17k, but I think it's more because the CPM of crypto on the UK is around $10 or more. His daily earning is around between 26 to $4,400. I think he can reach $1,000 a day. So his estimated monthly earnings are $30k. We see that number of views has dropped since the bear market. Thank you for watching.